All right, here's the procedure. Yippee doesn't like. Yippee gets car sick and doesn't like.
Hi everyone, welcome. And that's all. Traffic. Walk to their side because I love motorbike. That's selling dry fish. Dumagiti downstairs and there is going to Valencia Plaza.
Okay, so baby May, you're having lunch.
Yes.
All right.
Fried
So
chicken with
show
rice.
here. I don't have the gimbal, so just put it up here.
Yes.
So what is that? Fried chicken with rice.
Yeah, and then have dessert mango. And then egg. Have the cucumber and tomato.
Okay. And how much does that cost?
110.
110. So that's $2.20.
Very cheap.
My God. And what am I having over there? Fat boy. What's that? The fat boy having? So what do we got?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Yeah, and then french fries. And then tomato.
And tomato.
195 pesos.
195 pesos for all of that.
Yes.
Wow, so that's about $4, right?
Yes.
And then after this, we're going to take a little walk.
Yes.
And you're going to show them some more.
Yes. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I'm here in Red Flower Resto Bar. So here in the... What is your name?
Jessa.
Jessa. How old are you?
21.
21 years old. So you're working here in the...
Red Flower, I'm
part-time job? Ah, okay. For the part-time job, how many months?
It fun. 30 hours. We spent 30 hours.
Oh, okay.
Before I do OJT here for
Okay.
300 hours. And then now, part-time.
Oh,
Ma'am
okay.
Lizelle.
Okay. The owner is, what's the name?
Ma'am
Lizelle?
Rosemary Manapan.
Okay. So, okay, I little interview to your life, okay? So, you study?
Yeah. Hospitality management.
What grade?
Third year.
Third year college? Wow. So, you mean next year for graduating for?
No. Incoming third year, ma'am, is August.
Oh, okay. Wow. So, where you study?
In Negros Oriental State University.
Okay. Are you single or taken? So, by the way, can you tour with me in the Red Flower, the restaurant?
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. So, is a lot customer here?
Yes, ma'am.
Mostly what day?
In fun. Breakfast, mostly breakfast.
Every day?
Yeah.
Oh. What the customer? Filipino or foreigner?
Mostly foreigner.
Mostly foreigner. How about Sunday? Crowded?
Yeah, it's crowded because there's a Sunday market.
Oh, okay. And what time for the open?
8, ma'am. Until 8 a.m. until 5 p.m.
Okay. So no close. Every day open.
Yeah.
Oh, it's good. And then how many people working here?
Every day, 6, but all in all, 8.
8 people working here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, the restaurant is 8 morning?
Yeah.
And then the close?
It's 9 p.m.
9 p.m. Okay. What is the best seller the food here?
The all-day breakfast for the English breakfast, the Australian, the American breakfast.
Wow. What is your position? Are you cooking in the kitchen?
In the front counter.
You're the counter in the cashier.
The two of us, Ate Marian and I.
Okay. Wow. But you always smile. Okay. Let's go. Her name the restaurant guy. It's big, no? Hey. It's bigger, no? The restaurant, their side. Here in the cashier. Okay, 4 minutes.
This is our counter, guys.
Okay. Name me, no?
Yes.
Because my subscriber for requesting for the soyo the menu.
Here is our menu. We
Okay.
have our all-day breakfast.
Okay, the best seller is American breakfast.
Yeah.
How much the American breakfast? 200.
207.
Oh, very cheap, huh? 270.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. American food. Yes. Well, it's better here.
Yeah. We also have a Filipino food.
How much?
The top silog costs 130. The hot silog only 60 pesos.
Wow, it's cheaper, guys. If you have the if you have the girlfriend, just bring her. It's very cheap, right? Yes, very cheap. The other one. What is your name?
Marian.
Marian. Okay, I will back to her in the kitchen area.
Kitchen is busy.
I saw you. There, their side, guys. Guys, their side. It's big place, guys. The restaurant. Okay.
Hi guys, we are inviting you all to come here at Red Flower Restaurant where all the foods are very affordable. Thank you.
What time again the open?
8 a.m. ma'am until 9 p.m.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Ikaw, pag madam, i-vlog ni Diri.
Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What is your name?
Rosemary Manaban.
It's the owner in Red Flower. Okay, here. Okay, the waitress. Ikaw, dahil. Ang aman doon na lang. What is your name?
Jessa,
Jisa. How old Jisa?
21.
Single, married.
Single but ready to mingle.
How many years for single?
Kaya ko na nag-iyak.
Yes, serious. How many years you're single?
I'm not single. I'm taken for granted. Marian.
Okay, can you promote the store?
Hi, welcome to Red Flower. You can come here because all the staff is very accommodating and very welcoming, and also the customer is very happy to us.